Okay, this is an introduction for lab number 7, and we're going to be talking about electrical charge. And this is actually one of the labs where it's not so much a simulation, not until the end, but you do need some things. You just need a little bit of scotch tape, 3-4 inches long. And what you're going to do is you're going to put them onto a neutral surface like your kitchen table. And you're going to take one piece of tape and you're going to put a B on that piece of tape, and you're going to put it kind of like that on the edge of the table. Leave yourself a little fold for your hands. You're going to take another piece of tape and you're going to call that T. Again, you're going to leave yourself a little bit of a fold. And then all together, what you're going to do is you're going to pull these guys off of the table, keeping them stuck together. Then what you're going to do is you're actually going to go ahead and separate these two guys. And what you did initially was you pulled them off of the table, and then you split them apart, and bear in mind that charge is going to be a conserved quantity. So this guy might have one charge, maybe a positive charge, and this guy might have a negative charge, and you're just going to kind of mess around with the B tapes and the T tapes and see what they're attracted to. Now, I do have you go ahead and make 2 T tapes and 2 B tapes, and take a look at the effect of a T tape on a B tape, a T on a T, a B on a B, and make some statements about electrical charge. Please do bear in mind that do not let the tapes touch each other. So once they touch each other, then charge is going to be transferred, and then the lab just won't work. So if they touch, you're going to have to kind of reset everything. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at charged things on neutral objects. So how does the T-tape affect a neutral object? How does a B-tape? And what I really want you to be thinking of is that thing called charge polarization. And again, please don't let them touch anything, because then charge will be transformed or transferred. Then all we're going to do is we're going to pop open this simulation right here, and you're going to rub this balloon on there, and you can kind of see, I say first only rub some of it. And what we initially had was we had these atoms that had positive charges and negative charges, and the electrons are moving. I took some of them, and this guy is overall attracted to this because the negative charges are pushed relatively far away, so push, push, push. You can go ahead and collect all of these guys, and make sure you hold on to that balloon. Don't let it touch that thing. And you can kind of see that this is a metal pail, and I can make these electrons flow when I bring this charged balloon near it. And then all I'm going to have you do is bang this balloon into it, make some observations. You may have to bang it several times, so bang, bang, bang. Pay attention to the blue charges. See what happens, see whether there's an attraction or repulsion, kind of see what's going on right now, but I'll let you bang into it a few times and make some observations.